Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy and useful pen. So the materials required are a cap. So I took this cap from my old Parker pen and a cartridge. So this cartridge should be fitting onto the nib. So we need a nib, and here's the slot for the cartridges, and here's the nib. I got it from Flair in a fancy shop. In a fancy shop I got it, and here is the sketch and it should be fitting in the sketch. So you can use a converter instead of a cartridge, but I used a cartridge. So after that, place the cap on top and our pen is ready. So let me take a paper. So I took a paper and let's check whether it's writing or not. So see here. So this is my channel. So please do like, share and comment, and maybe also subscribe. So if you want any videos like this, then please comment, and if you have any doubts you can ask it in the comment, and please do hit that like button. It really motivates me to upload some videos. So stay till the end. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.